going on, everyone? Today's segments are 12 steps to the ultimate open house. Yes, open houses are always important. They do so much for your marketing and visual, but you got to follow me because it's going to be 12 different steps. And why am I doing 12 steps? Because I'm doing a 12-hour open house, and that's step one. Always do a longer open house. It doesn't have to be 12 hours, obviously, but why? Two main reasons. One, it attracts people from longer distances. So if somebody wants to potentially buy a house in Tampa and they're coming from Orlando or somewhere else, they can say, hey, look, we can go look at that house. We're not going to feel rushed. It's a 6-7 hour open house, so we can get there. If we hit traffic, whatever the case may be, we'll get there. An example is this house. I got somebody coming from West Palm Beach, and they said, since you're doing a 12-hour open house, I can go to the house, we can drive around and look at everything and feel comfortable. And they can come back. That's very important. Now, people don't realize when you do a longer open house, somebody might come to the house, go, you know what? I love the fact that you're doing this. I'll go, get my family, friends, whatever the case may be, and come back. And not for nothing, I sold an amazing house in Riverview one day from somebody coming to the open house, just being like, hey, I saw that you had an open house sign. I wanted to swing by. Can I come back with my wife? Came back with the wife. They both said, we weren't even looking to buy a house, and they ended up buying the house. So 12-hour, number one, 12-hour open house. Doesn't have to be 12, but you need to do a long open house. Follow me for the next 11.